If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Compass Trailhawk in granite crystal metallic. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, off-road suspension, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 16,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, heated rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, CJD.com, stock number D6982.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.